Guys, my car is broken. Oh my gosh. I thought I fixed it with that aloe vera, but I didn't, guys. So, yep, check engine light. Look at that, baby. Check engine light. Guys, that is no bueno. That is not good.
That's the one that messed up the spark plug?
Yeah.
Is it misfiring right now?
It only does, it has lots of compression at higher RPMs. Low RPMs, it's fine.
Okay. Well, you took them out when they were hot or something, and then you crossed?
No, it was actually, I don't even think it was hot. I just I took it out and then I put it in, and it just, for whatever reason, the very front one, the cylinder one, it seemed to kind of wobble down the whole way down.
Open the hood for me.
Okay, guys, so in that last clip you guys saw, we just actually left the shop, and they diagnosed it, and they said that basically might just be an update for the car. So we took it to the Alfa Romeo San Diego location because the Carlsbad one is horrible. Anyways, we're at the San Diego location right now. We're gonna see, we had an appointment for 2, it's 2:15. I'm sorry I'm late. I know. All right, let's get inside and see if they can't just flash it and get us all good to go. I have not been here before.
Alright, a little info from you.
Because it's showing lots of compression. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's probably not that bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, they bring all kinds of stuff over here from that store. All the time, but I don't even know how to open the door on that thing.
Guys, this is my favorite dealership in the world. I've never sat in a Ferrari before. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is like heaven. Oh, baby. Hello. Woo. Look at this. Guys, I'm sitting in a Ferrari right now. This is insane. I mean, it's not probably for a lot of you guys, but like, oh my gosh, I've never sat in a Ferrari. Guys, this is the TI Sport. Looks like the 2020 TI Sport. Look at this though. That's awesome. It has an extended display. Oh, carbon on those. Ooh. This makes me wish I got a newer one. This thing is like low-key really awesome. Wow. Is everything else the similar? Yeah, this is all pretty much the same. It's just the TI Sport, guys. You can change. That looks so much better with the bigger display. Alrighty, guys, let's give it a little test. We are gonna be giving it a little bit of an acceleration test. We'll drive it up and down the street, give it a little bit of RPM, and hopefully it doesn't throw any codes. Very, very hopefully, because I really don't want to. All right. It did it again. My whole car is shaking. Look at me. I'm literally jiggling. I've never jiggled like this in my life.
You are all set, and then I'll keep a lookout for your videos. So.
Alrighty. Awesome.
Keep up the good work.
Yeah, thank you so much, and have fun with your drone out there. Alrighty, guys. So, Joel, my man here, is the best. If you guys ever want anyone, definitely go find Joel here at the San Diego Alfa Romeo. He's literally the best person. But without further ado, woo, that sounds better. That literally just starts up better. I literally can tell just from that. Basically, guys, what he told me what it was is those Champion spark plugs that were in there are actually like junk, and yeah, never used Champion spark plugs, but yeah, so that whole nightmare of a problem was simply caused because of that. So I'm really happy that they were able to fix that and figure that out, because now the car works flawlessly. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to today's video and finding out the reason why the car was acting like that and it's throwing all those codes and stuff. So guys, I guess without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been over 2.5 months that I've been going daily on these, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. And with that, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.